everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maggie. Today we're going to be doing my savings challenge number 2 of April. So I've got $202 in my cash tray that we're going to be working with today. I thought would spare you from counting, but that is in fact what we have. And let's go ahead and dive in. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I do a little bit of cash stuffing, savings challenges, kind of for fun, for some miscellaneous kind of categories. I am not a cash stuffer for like my normal, bills and budget categories, but I do find it fun and helpful for kind of like side things. So the first savings challenge we're going to do is for my 100 envelope box. I like to do this in a randomized way. So something about me is I think it's fun to have a little unknown in your life. So I like to stuff these envelopes without knowing what the total will be at the end of the year. So today we're going to do 4 envelopes. I've got this pretty light purple for April. We're going to roll 2 dice and multiply the dice by $5 to determine how much goes in each envelope. So I got a 1 and a 6, so 1 times 5 would be 5. And then 6 times 5 would be 30. So there we go. We'll roll again. Got a 4 and a 5. So we've got 20 for the 4. And then 25 for the 5. And there we have it. So those are all of the envelope stuff. They're going to go in the back here, so I know they're done. And that is it for this box for today. And we'll unstuff this at the end of the year. Okay, we're going to move into my first binder. This one is my self-care binder. Since my last saving challenge video, I did get my nails done with this pretty red color, so I got a gel manicure and that was $50. So I did pull from here. This self-care envelope is the one that we're going to be doing, and I like to use a rock paper scissors dice to determine how much goes in. So we got a scissors, which will be 15, so 10 and 5, and let's add that in. Okay, so now I've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, $121. This is for any top up, or it can roll into next year as well. So just kind of a fun way to keep that moving forward. Then the next binder, this one has the rest of my challenges in it. So first one is quarterly game. This quarter we are playing Saveopoly, and we left off last time on this railroad. So that's where we're going to start today. Get my little marker, and I'm going to open up my phone calculator app so I can keep track of the total as we go. So first roll, I think I'm going to do 4 rolls. 3. So 1, 2, 3, $5. Oops, we'll roll again. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So another 7 on another railroad. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another railroad. And last one for today, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $2. Okay, so that equals 21. I round up for most things. So let me mark this spot so we don't forget. And we're going to put in $25 then into this one, and I'm not going to count it. I will count it up at the end of the quarter and we will reallocate it. So we'll keep that a surprise. And that is that for quarterly game. Next is City Adventures, and this is a scratch-off situation. So these clue cards are from Purple Glimmer Budgets. I'm trying to figure out where Miss Scarlet committed her crime. So I think today I will try the dining room. No, not in the dining room. So that is okay. That's $10 going into city. I also went down to the city. I posted a vlog if you want to see what I was up to down there. So some of the money from this has been taken out. So now I've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 267 in there. And we'll just keep moving forward with the clue cards. Next is upcoming trips, and this also has a scratcher, and we're going to do the last one on this side. So it's $10, and next time we will do the other side. We'll get going there, so no big deal. We've still got plenty to scratch. I'm going to add in $10 today. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 93, 310, 15, 16, 317. I don't have any C dollars to add today, so just the 10 going in. Next is home project. I don't have any H dollars. I just have 2 B's, so we'll play with those later. But I will be adding in $10 today, even though I don't have any H's. So here's the $10, and let's mark off. Let's do the 7 and 3. There we go. Okay, so we're cruising right along here. Home project has 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77 in it. There's that. Okay, and then we've got the $5 challenge. So today I've got 2 5s left over. So those are gonna go in. And so we've got $20 now. But for this, I'm doing a sticker challenge with these Peanuts stickers. So being that it's still April, I think I'll do 2 more of these kind of Easter themed ones. We'll do this little one of Woodstock. Cute. And let's do this one with Snoopy in the basket. Okay, so that is $20 in there, 4 stickers. Pretty cute for the $5 challenge. And moving on to holidays. So I did pull the money from Easter, so that is done. Memorial Day weekend is ready to go. Anniversary is ready to go. And now we're going to work on 4th of July. So I add $30 each time, but 4th of July only needs 20 to complete it. So I will color in these last 2 stars here. Okay, so that's done. And then we'll put the first 10 into Labor Day weekend. Okay, great. Then the next one is friend's wedding. And this is where the $2 are gonna go, these 2 B dollars. So my friend did set a wedding date and I am her maid of honor. So excited for that, and I'm happy that I've already started to save. So once I hit a bundle of 20, I will move this into my owl binder. So we've got 2 more K or B dollars to go for that. And speaking of my owl binder, let's go there next. Looks like I've got $10 left in my tray, so that's what I will add in here. This is also saving for my friend's wedding. So I've already saved it once and saved 500. My goal is to save probably 4 times through, but we'll just see where we can get to. So adding another 10 today. Here we go. There we are. So that is it for my savings challenge video today. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.